Everything you thought you knew about making money is 100% wrong, and here's why. In today's digital world, there's no reason why you should struggle to pay the bills when you can make a part-time or even full-time income online. If you're willing to learn a new high-income skill, this video is for you. What would you do if you were able to turn your situation around and go from living this life to this life? Forbes recently announced that digital marketing will be one of the highest paying fields in the upcoming years. Digital marketing is simple. You post on social media to put a company's product in front of tons of people, which is why this skill is so valuable.
And the best part is, this is something you can do remotely, whether you're on your lunch break at work, at home relaxing, or even on vacation. Even if you only have 1 extra hour a day, you can learn the skills necessary to change your life. If you've been looking for a new way to make money, this is why you just found it. 1. Low overhead, limitless income potential. 2. No physical products, you don't have to ship anything. 3. You can do this anywhere via your phone. One of the biggest problems people face is not knowing how to get started or what products to promote. Introducing MyEcon, your path to financial freedom and a better lifestyle. We are a BBB accredited with an A+ rating and was founded by a few entrepreneurs in 2005. MyEcon is all about personal financial success, so this is the perfect digital product since it is full of things people actually need.
Not only are you able to start making money remotely, but MyEcon can drastically improve your credit, finances, and lifestyle. And here's how. As a member of MyEcon, you'll have full access to our financial success membership, which includes top-tier digital products that you can even benefit from yourself. We have the My Credit system that walks you through not only how to fix your credit, but also how to build good credit. And most start seeing results in as little as 30 days. We have our debt elimination calculator that will help you eliminate debt. And our cash flow manager helps you save tons of money in taxes, which is where one of the biggest perks of becoming a member comes in, our W-4 strategy. This is where we help you give yourself an instant pay increase if you currently have a full-time or part-time job. With a simple adjustment to your W-4 tax form, most households are seeing a pay increase of up to $1,000 or more monthly just for joining MyEcon. You'll also have the option to get access to our travel club, where we get up to 70% off major hotels worldwide, which will come in handy as this business improves your lifestyle and you're able to go on vacations whenever you want and use them as a tax write-off. All thanks to being a member of MyEcon. So as you can see, MyEcon can help many people win in many ways.
This is something anyone can do with no experience, no social media following required. We have step-by-step training showing exactly what to do. The most popular and effective way is by creating short and simple 5 to 10 second videos promoting our digital products.
We teach you how to reach thousands and in some cases millions of people. And every time someone gets started with your link, you'll get paid. You'll also be in a position to earn over and over again for the work you did just one time. Let's break down how you get paid. MyEcon will pay you $40 for every person you share our membership with. And on top of that, every month you'll receive passive income just because you have people with an active membership. For every single person, you'll get paid up to $13 every month. This includes all the people you shared the products with or any one of your members you may have signed up as well.
Let's put things into perspective with a hypothetical but realistic example. You share MyEcon with just 5 people per week, and then those 5 people each go and do the same. That's a total of 30 people joining in 1 week. After doing this for just a year, your passive income would be $20,280 per month for work you and your team did months ago. Not to mention the scenario that one of your social media posts may go viral. Remember, this is something tons of people want and need. I think you're starting to see the potential here.
If you're serious about making a change in your life, this skill is worth taking the time to learn. We're looking for motivated and coachable individuals who will do whatever it takes to be the best version of themselves. We have all the training and resources you need with a large community who all share the same goal.
Where in the world can you get access to make money remotely and benefit from our digital products yourself, all while enjoying a company that has been around since 2005 and has an A+ rating and is accredited with the BBB and has over 80,000 members?
While this kind of membership would normally cost hundreds of dollars, with MyEcon you can gain access to our FSM membership that includes our money-making opportunity for the amount you see below this video.
What you need to do now is get started by clicking down below. While you go ahead and do that, here's some more testimonials of current MyEcon members and how this membership has changed their lives.
Hi, my name is Bonnie. With this program, I was able to remove $67,000 in student loans, $100,000 in medical collections, and 31 negative items from my personal credit report, totaling over $200,000. My credit when I first started was a 524. It currently resides at an 850. I was able to last year buy my dream home, and because of this program working and it's super simple to use, you just follow the instructions. I started sharing it with other people, and now I'm a six-figure earner of the company and was able to retire almost 2 years ago.
This is Angela Powerhouse Williams. Let me tell you, I was on a mission to learn how to build generational wealth for my family, and at the same time, learn how to increase the financial IQ within my community. MyEcon became the answer and the blessing. I was able to apply their wealth strategies. I've cash flowed over $500,000 from the comfort of my home. I enjoy a 100% debt-free lifestyle. I get to travel the world first class at a discount. I've also been able to increase my credit score to over 830. And I've been able to solidify over $250,000 personal and business credit. And I can't forget the lucrative compensation plan that has allowed me to add an extra $50,000 to $60,000 a year to my investment portfolio, multiplying it to over $1.3 million. So listen, if you want to be free to do what you want to do, when you want to do it, drive what you want to drive, live where you want to live, say yes to MyEcon. See you at the top.
My name is Terrence Hill, and this is my lovely wife,
Desiree Hill.
and we are CEO Infinities in MyEcon. Since we've been in MyEcon, we have followed our personal cash flow plan using the income shifting membership, and it has allowed us to both retire from the United States Army. We've also cash flowed over $1.2 million. We got a credit score of 800, and we have an investment portfolio of $348,000. What do you like?
Some of the things that I like most about MyEcon, it's a low price to get started. We do have the ability to write off our lifestyle through taxes, and we do have access to the owners of MyEcon.
So what we want to say is,
Thank you, MyEcon.
Hey, it's Catherine Montez. I first enrolled with MyEcon back in September 2019. During this time, this opportunity has completely changed my life. I first started using the strategies, which are the W-4 adjustment, where I gave myself a pay raise. I was able to actually fire my boss during the pandemic, and I went full force sharing this opportunity with as many people as possible via social media. By sharing this opportunity, it has allowed me to become a six-figure earner before the age of 40. I was also able to raise my credit score from a 400 to a 700 by using the DIY credit program. That allowed me to remove over $50,000 of my own personal debt, where it allowed me to get approved for my first home. It also allowed me to get approved for my mom's condo, and I purchased my first dream car. I just want to say thank you for creating such a powerful platform that actually is something that every single person needs.